This is a cute clock made in China. See, all the languages are in China. Okay, we have unboxed it. This is our speaker, not a speaker, it's a alarm clock. Also there is two light. These are the buttons in the back side, and this is the charging port, and the front side black color display. This is the display, cute pink color alarm clock. Okay, we have to charge it before. This is after charging it. We are charging it now. See, the charging indicator, so it's showing time. This is the button of turning on lights and turning off lights.